You may have wondered why you haven't heard from us in a little while. Well, we moved our shop. Well, we didn't just move our shop, we repainted everything and then went on a 9-day, 6,500 kilometer road trip across the states. Let's flash back a couple weeks.
I see a day, to see a job is what it made me. Shit be freaking bravery, see it's mine is slavery. 9 to 5, grind and strive, fucking nigga pay me less. It pay my bills at minimal, but see it pay me stress. Doing this and doing that and turn around and scope you true. How I did it wrong when I just did it like you told me to. Fuck you, eat a dick, that's what I be really thinking.
Alright, today is October 4th and it is semi-officially our first day moving into the new shop. We brought together all of our homies that are into minis, and we've got a new stereo system wired in, we've got an alarm system, we've got Alex painting all the walls.
Jeremy, from your 15 minutes of observing here, who do you think is working the hardest?
Like, yeah, I agree with that.
Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day.
I'm painting this conduit. If you don't like it,
Paint it. Paint everything. Paint the light. Be white at least. Paint it white.
I should. It's pretty yellow.
What are you doing, Marco?
I'm revitalizing dead wood.
Oh, and that road trip we were talking about earlier, we weren't going to cancel it just because of the move. So now that we're all moved in, we're going to be doing a ton of different projects in this new shop. We're going to be doing a shop tour as well, because I know a lot of you out here are interested in seeing exactly how we have it set up and what we have going on here. We're going to be doing a lot of tech tip videos as well as some detoured episodes as well.
Not everyone knows this, but the three of us do this all in our spare time, and we've recently set up a Patreon page, so if you'd like to help us make more content, bring more videos to you, please consider checking it out and supporting us.
I'm Marco.